Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal button to your GoDaddy website. First, log into your account, then go to your products. Now, select on the website that you want to navigate. Then, once inside the dashboard, on the right side, click on this Edit Website button. Now in here, once inside the editor, scroll down to the section where you want to add your PayPal button. Now, click on this plus sign to add a section. After that, on the search bar, go and search for PayPal. Here, you'll have different options for your PayPal button. So just select the one that you want to have on your site, then click on the add button. Now, it will be added to your site and you can now see your PayPal button. Now, if you go click on it, you can go and create a PayPal account so that you can accept payments with it. And you can also go and change the button label if you want to. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a PayPal button on your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.